Today is episode 22 of the Piston Cup Evolution, and today is going to be on Crusty Rotor, so make sure you subscribe and leave a like because this video is going to be awesome, and let's roll this intro. Yes guys, welcome back to another episode of the Piston Cup Evolution. Today is episode 22 and today it's going to be on Crusty Rotor. Now this guy might remind you of Rusty Cornfuel just because of the name, looks so similar, and he is the Cars 1 Vinyl Toupee racer. And I believe he was one of the last ones to be released just because he was like so wanted. A bit like Rev Roadages. It's funny how that both of these cars right here were the last Piston Cup races to be released from their like categories. And I believe Vinyl Toupee is one of the ones that's like, I think 20 years behind in like decals. But it looks pretty cool. I do like Vinyl Toupee and Crusty Rotor. I knew I was going to mess that up already, but yeah. So without further ado, let's take a closer look at his review. He's got that usual angry, determined expression there. He's got 76 on the side. For some reason he doesn't have headlights because, you know, the track is always lit. Got, of course, the moustache here. Vinyl Toupee. Pretty cool. I think the slogan was Vinyl Toupee in a can, if I remember correctly. There's his expression. 76 on the roof. Pretty cool. There's a little spray can. Yep, Vinyl Toupee in a can. Pretty cool. On the side, 76, Vinyl Toupee, Lightyear rims, there's the can, all the sponsors, Nitro, Piston Cup, Revolting, Octane Game, Mood Springs, Vitaline, No Stall, Gaspit, Easy Idle, RPM, Lead Top Seasons, Leak Less, Breach and Clutch Aid, 76, there's the exhaust pipes, sponsor over the fuel cap again with these stars, here's the back. She'll never notice. Vinyl Toupee. And here is the base. So that is another video or review on the Piston Cup Evolution. Shoutouts to Crazy Car 7. Of course. He deserves today's shout out. And if you guys are new, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. Of course, to the next one. Peace, guys.